Hey guys, Jacob from MarineMax in Panama City Beach here today again with another boat walkthrough video. Today I have the pleasure of walking you through the Harris 230 Cruiser. Harris makes awesome boats ranging in different sizes from 16 foot all the way up to 27 foot. Today we're going to look at the 23 foot Cruiser line, and as you can see behind me, it has got the champagne interior. It's a very popular color line, catches eye very well out in the sun. It just gives a good contrast with the outside of the boat color as well. And now if you would like to join me on board, I'll open up this door, and as I open the door, just quickly notice that there is a door stop hinge right here, so whenever the door is open, you're not worried about it just slamming and closing. As we work our way back, this is going to have the forward wraparound seating. This is very traditional seating on pontoon boats, just offers excellent socializing with your family and friends. There are options to where you can get a table put here in the center, so if you want to play card games, have a little table for snacks, drinks, whatever your choice may be, you have that option as well. One more thing is every seat that you see on a Harris boat is going to come on independent latches on itself, so that you're never going to have to worry about them flying out when you're traveling. Also, you'll see 4 cup holders on each side. They are paired with 2 USB chargers, so you can charge your phone, up to 4 phones just right here, so you're never having to worry about missing those special moments of taking those pictures, those TikToks, those Instagram reels, whatever it is that you may need to do. As we move backward towards the center part of the boat, there is extra storage underneath here. It just flips out. You can tuck away some extra stuff down in there if you need to, that way it's not cluttered up in the walkway. There also is an option to have a changing room station on that, to where it's just a drop down canvas, and it allows the children to use the bathroom privately. Ladies, if you need to change clothes before you guys go to the restaurant, it offers just a little bit more privacy, so you can get in and out of your bathing suit into the clothes, or like I said earlier, you can use the restroom. And now we're at the helm of the boat. This one has a Clarion audio system in it with 4 speakers throughout the boat. Has the classic analog systems, has cup holder down here for the driver, that way you're never without an arm's reach of your beverage. This seat, as you notice right now, is in a locked position. What I really like about these seats is I'm a little guy, so I gotta be close to the steering wheel. When you have an average sized person, they need to sit back a little farther. Harris did a great job of implementing the forward and backward rotating seat, so you can find what measures the person and fits correctly. It also has another lever to where it'll fully rotate all the way around, so if you're staged up where you need to be and you want to enjoy watching the kids in the back swimming as well, you can flip this around and still stay at the helm of the seat. Finally, in the back section, this is Harris's, in my opinion, their most popular floor plan, specifically for this area back here. You have a little lounger right here, so you can face the back, watch everybody, as well as have transportation seating, so when you're underway, 3 people can sit here. But this is the coolest feature about this whole boat, in my opinion, is this back lounger. As you can see right now, the way it's sat is I can sit here, face forward, but then say we get to where we're going and I want to enjoy watching everybody get towed by the ski, wakeboard or so, you can actually lift this backrest up and it folds back, and then now you're at a full back lounger. And this is extremely comfortable, and as you can see, when I sit down, I can extend all the way out right here with my cup holders, not even having to move, and I can sit here and enjoy where we're at. Lastly, say I've just had a long day out on the water, I want to take a little nap. Flip this down one more time, and it offers a full bed or just lounger area without the backrest. It's very unique by Harris. It is extremely popular. A lot of people like it. It's my personal favorite just for this exact reason. One more thing I want to show you what's really cool about this feature. Actually, 2 more. This is an entire large coffin box, which is an ample amount of storage to keep all of your wakeboards, your ski equipment, just life jackets, anything extra. You can access it in the back side like I just lifted up here, or in the front section. Now the last piece. When you're out in the water and you need to get a new drink, you don't want to come up onto the cooler, you can use this seat right here as a cooler. There is a drain plug at the bottom of it. Fill it up with ice, fill all your drinks in it, and you can get a new drink without actually having to get up on the boat itself, which is awesome. It saves a lot of time. This boat is paired with a 150 Mercury 4-stroke outboard, very reliable, moves this boat very well. As you can see, my hand is also resting on the ski platform, or ski tow bar, excuse me. This right here is gonna allow you to do tubing, any type of water activity, sports or so that you may desire. And lastly is the upgraded stainless steel boarding ladder. So it's a very strong boarding ladder. You're not going to feel it give whenever you put your weight on it to step up onto the boat. It's going to secure you and make you feel safe as you get in and out of the boat. Again, if you want to hear any more information about this boat, this is a Harris Cruiser 230. My name is Jacob Wright. I'm MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Give me a call. My number is 850-819-9106. Thank you, guys.